Hi guys, my name is Taoyuan Liu. I come from China. You may call me Toby. My major is undecided, and I'm going to major in HRTM. This is why I take this class. This is my first year here. I hope that I can learn how to become an effective leader through taking this course. I believe this course will show me many updated knowledge and theories about leadership. It will also offer me on-hand practice so that I can integrate theoretical knowledge into practice. One interesting concept that I find in the reading is the four-part model to learn to think correctly. This requires us to first explicitly learn the skill of critical thinking, then develop disposition for errorful thinking and learning. This guided me to build my critical thinking. I have no real working experience, but I hope that I can become a good leader in the field of hotel management. But I may start my first internship this semester or next semester. One interesting thing about me is that I think I'm both extrovert and introvert. Sometimes with my close friends, I'm very talkative. I enjoy sharing and listening. This means that I think I am extrovert from this sense. But for people who I just come across and who I just know, I'm not willing to share and talk too much. This shows me that I'm an introvert person. Thank you very much.